I have made videos on how to dress for different body type previously because we know about different body types: rectangle, pear, inverted triangle, hourglass. But we will dig deep into this because today we are going to discuss about a body type that very few people know, very less people has knowledge about that, which is oval body shape. Today we will talk about how to measure oval body shape and how to style. We will discuss about upper wear, lower wear, dresses and jackets for oval body shape. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Vanishika. Oval body shape is often referred to as apple and round body shape. In oval body shape, measurement of the bust, waist and hip area are same. Oval body shape, arms and legs are slender in proportion, has narrow hips, waistline and midsections are not defined. For styling oval body shape, you need to focus on three important things. Firstly, visual proportion. You have to give proportion to the oval body shape. Second is defining the waistline. Since there is no waistline and midsection is bulkier, you have to define the waistline. And third is play up your slender legs. Since they have slender legs and arms, that is the key or accent of the body type, and you have to emphasize that and play with. For necklines, focus on the upper body part, highlight the upper portion. Go for necklines that has low and wide necklines. Don't go for necklines that are narrow or collar or high. Similarly, go for necklines that are V-neck, deep V-neck, square or sweetheart if you have a fuller bust area. Don't go for necklines that has round or boat or turtleneck. For sleeves, go for sleeves that flatter the slender arms like flare. Don't go for much fitted and tight fitted sleeves. It will not look good. Even if you're going for short sleeves, don't go for tight fitted, go for ruffle sleeves. Moving on to top. For tops, go for tops that can define the waist. Structured tops goes really well for this. Choose tops that has v-neck or deep v-neck. So go for wrap style tops that has defining waistline and has flare at the end. Goes pretty well for oval body shape. Tailored tulip style tops are the best. Don't go for tops that are form fitted, no structure, or thick or bulky tops, because thick or bulky tops will not look good. Don't go for tops that has heavy ruffles around waistline, which is makes you look more fuller. Don't tuck your top in because it's gonna add bulk on the midsection area. Choose vertical stripes. Even if you're choosing top or dress or anything, choose the pattern which has vertical stripes, because somehow vertical stripes have those illusion, it makes you look more taller, slimmer. Don't choose stripes that are horizontals. It's same because it's gonna do the opposite of what vertical stripes do, so don't choose horizontal stripes. Let's talk about jackets. For jackets, go for jackets that has belt around the waistline. Define your waistline. Go for button down jackets and mid-length jackets like trench coat, something like that. Don't go for cropped jackets or jackets that do not have any structure, or any jackets that is so cropped that is coming above your waist. Do not go for those kind of jackets because it will not look flattering. Moving on to the lower wear, let's talk about pants and jeans for oval body shape. Go for straight leg trouser or jeans that will make you look appear taller and slimmer. Also opt for wide leg jeans, palazzos, boyfriend jeans, baggy jeans as well, because it's gonna create balance to your midsection and lower body part, creating curves to your hip area. Don't go for skinny leggings or skinny jeans or low rise or high rise jeans. Go for light wash jeans because it's gonna flatter the slender looks. Don't go for dark wash jeans. Even if you think that you want to wear something skinny, you can go for cigarette jeans. Next up is shorts. For choosing shorts, it's same as like pants and jeans. Don't go for low rise or low waisted narrow tapered legs. Go for high waisted wide and flaring leg shorts because it's gonna flatter your look. Wear shorts that has waistband or belt, something like that, to define the waist area. Shorts that has loose or flared or tapered looks very good. Moving on to dresses, how to style dresses for this particular body shape. Dresses are the most flattering one, and I know it gets very difficult when to choose dresses, particular dresses that can flatter your look, but I am here to help you out. So the trick is to highlight the waist and float out at the bottom. Choose dresses that are A-line in structure and has defined waist. Strapless and sleeveless goes pretty well also. Make sure the dress has flowy like structure. Don't go for dresses that are body cone or body fitted. It's not gonna look flattered. Even if you're wearing something fitted, try to divide the upper body part and the lower body part by adding belt or something defining on your waistline. There is another thing, you can go for color block or patchwork block dresses. It looks flattering on oval body shape, and I have seen so many celebrities on red carpet and somewhere wearing them, flaunting them. It looks pretty much amazing. You can opt for these kind of styles as well. On to skirts. For skirts, again, it is very important to wear skirts that can define the waistline and flatter your slender legs. Don't go for skirts that are straight cut or tight fitted or pencil skirt, something like that. Go for skirts that are tapered and has flared and has belt or defined waistline. Don't go for low rise skirts, go for high rise. Choose skirts that has ruffles at the bottom to give you the illusion of an hourglass. It looks flatter on oval body shape. You can go for skirts that are again A-line and asymmetric and has tapered look and belt. If you can add belt to your skirt, that is gonna work pretty much well. That's it guys, that's the end of today's video. I have shared how to measure oval body shape. If you are an oval body shape or not, let me know in the comment section. And also I have shared how you can style different types of upper wear and lower wear. Hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll make more videos on body types and how to style according to your body type. Also share your ideas on which topic of styling you want me to talk about, and I can make such videos as well. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay fashionable.